Launcher is a team right now on a 10-year journey to send small satellite to orbit. We're building a launch vehicle that will be able to send 300 kilogram of payload to low Earth orbit for our customers that will be a satellite company. Pretty much most of what's inside the container, which we'll look at, is the test stand. And the test stand, you can think of it as a deconstructed rocket. The biggest difficulty in launching an orbital vehicle is building the actual engine. So let's look at the front. This is our 3D printed 500-pound force liquid oxygen RP1 rocket engine. We have 57 cooling channel, and the kerosene actually comes here, goes through small 1 millimeter cross-section channel through the metal, and then comes back out there before getting into the injector. Traditionally, manufacturing this type of part requires millions of dollars of investments in custom machines to braze them together and to basically fabricate them. Now with 3D printing, you can now print the chamber and the nozzle in the throat as a single part. It's never been that easy thanks to this advancement.
My name is Greg Hayes. I'm the Director of Applications and Consulting at EOS North America. And what we did with Launcher, which I think is really interesting, is we helped them as a small team think about how to design their component so that it can be produced additively, so that they can get the features that they want in a reliable way from our technology.
We worked with them doing design changes. They came down to Pflugerville and we did a Design for AM workshop, taught them to design rules, and then built the first couple sets for them.
EOS built the initial parts as a benchmark. They handed it over to us as the contract manufacturer, able to take these parts to print and actually deliver working production parts.
New Lab, together with EOS, is allowing entrepreneurs like us to get involved, raising millions of dollars, not yet tens of millions of dollars, to get going. And we think that that's a major change for the industry in general, not just for startup, but also for established players. So today we'll be doing 15 seconds, and eventually we'll get to about 2 minutes of constant runtime.
Okay, go ahead and turn on the siren and begin auto sequence in just a second.
Okay, starting out the sequence. 3, 2, 1, starting out the sequence. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.